let go. All right, so if this is the start of the video and I put it at the start, then welcome. This is our first video of the Fleet Boys. My name's Dylan. Ethan is on the bike, my bike, and I'm gonna show you his bike real quick. Suzuki VRZ 110, big bore kit, built out. Look at this swing arm, pretty pimp bike. Gold rims, big old forks, sick bike. Ethan's got, I think it's a 2007 DRZ with like newer mod, and then I got a 2020 CRF 110, all stock besides the bars and grips. I don't know, Ethan's tearing it up. I love the fuel injection because I used to have a bunch of different 110s with carbs and they're just annoying. This one starts right up. And by the way.
Oh my god. Bugs are getting to me though. Here he comes.
I'm gonna go grab your bike.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh!
Am I doing something wrong?
Maybe more gas.
It's hot as balls out, dude.
Sweating bullets. Let it out just a little slower. Oh, that was closer. Oh yeah. Thing's pretty freaking loud. Let go.
Dude, I didn't even touch it.
God, dude.
No, I was too hard on the throttle.
Are you good though?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's stove.
Dude, how did I even do that?
I'm guessing whiskey throttle and then grip got stuck.
Dude, I was flying, dude.
Holy buddy.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh! That was, you held that.
Bad?
No, she said.
Oh really?
Thumbs up,
Oh,
yeah.
I bet.
Oh, you dropped the hand. Oh! Oh my god. That was good. That was good.
I dropped the hand.
Yeah, I saw that. I like that. Oh my god. Holy. What up, boys? D, you're sending first.
Hey boys, it's sinking. Makes you think I can't tie it up. Oh, funny joke, man. I'm the best putter up there. Oh, it's gotta stay up?
Yeah, grab the GoPro. Are you gonna strap it on you?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Sick.
I thought I was about to have to record.
Alright, so what we're doing, taking the skimboard out. Ethan's gonna crank it up to like 35.
35.
That's dangerous, dude.
35, bro. My car can't even go 35, guys. Think about this. His jet ski goes 0 to 20 in 7 seconds, and he's going 35. Think about that.
Throw that rope in the water.
Yeah.
Throw the rope in the
Alright, I gotta strap up. Alright, see you.
Keep going.
Let's go a little deeper. Alright, ready? That one hurt.
trained. I'm just naturally good. Hang on, E. Keep her going for a little. How do you even get up on that? What do you do to put your feet straight?
All right, I hold the board with one hand.
Oh, you hold it?
Yeah, and then once he's about to go, grab the rope with two.
Yeah, I can't even get on the board right now. How am I supposed to get on the board when he's starting it?
All right, yank him.
Forgot to lift up a little.
Hey, dude, right when he gets up, it's gonna be hilarious, though.
Give me a sec.
I give it 10 whole feet and he'll be down.
Hey, E, how'd you hold the board? You hold it?
In the middle.
Oh! All right, just go.
Like,
Hey, E, just go now.
Oh!
Hey, I'm doing tricks right now.
Wait, are you on the board?
Yeah, doing tricks.
damn, it doesn't work like that.
Heads up, thumbs up.
This
right.
guy.
All right, so the hard part, getting my feet on the board. Why don't it got latches?
The skimboard.
Yeah. Is it supposed to sink?
That's why you gotta hold it.
I'm supposed to hold it up?
Yeah.
Oh. So, oh my God, bruh. Boys, I can get up on the board, but I gotta get my feet on it. I want to understand how you hold this board.
I just put that thing on my feet.
You just put it on your feet. Oh, there he goes. Gets up in 0.2 seconds. Look at this kid. He's God in his purest form. Oh, my finger got in a frame. Let's see this D. Let's see a D. Yeah, I think Ethan messed up on the ski. Oh, he fell. I was so confused. I thought I was about to get yelled at. This is attempt number 2. I guess they messed up and it wasn't my fault. The only thing I'm good at is wakeboarding because my feet are locked, you know? Oh. Oh. Oh! Yo! Oh my God, think you got water all over your phone. That was sick. All right, here we go. Here we go. Or here we don't go, sorry. All right, boys, here it is. The DK show. Ethan Beck driving the jet ski. Let's see it, boys. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Ah, what, dude? Come on, E. Oh my God, whip him, whip him, whip him. Hey! Oh! Oh my God, look at this kid, bro. That was so sick.
The worst try.
I know, dude. I was like, what is Ethan doing?
Look at driving.
He even said it.
It's so confusing.
Look at this kid. He doesn't know his left from right. I don't know how to hold a board though, so I can't really be talking.